guess what? Got bad news. What happened? Got bad news, Rex. I went over there to the lab and I saw Tag. He's evil now. No! Fiona gonna pay for it! I can't believe she brainwashed another one of our best teammates! Oh, we still get all of you guys. Hope, I believe she won't come after you guys. Yep, we're gonna kill you guys as well. Before you die, you wanna diss? We're about to die, all you gonna diss? No, we're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. How you know on our team? I know I'm a spy. Rex, come with me. No! Shh! Ah! Come on, follow me. We gotta save Rex from the evil menace, Fiona. Ah!